Hi everyone, my name is CC Bradberry and I'm an ELA coach with Bailey Education Group. Today I wanted to take some time to share with you something new that we're doing called Tech Tip Tuesdays. Our first tech tip for those of us who are beginning this journey through the virtual world and this new normal is how to take a PDF document, because we have plenty of those, and make it something that students can easily manipulate and use. What you'll need handy in order to be able to do this is first your PDF that you're looking to have students work on, and then you'll need a blank Google Slides presentation. Google Slides is a little bit easier to manipulate with text boxes than Google Docs, and it's also a lot easier for students. So I have an untitled Google Slides presentation on my screen, and then I have my PDF handy. One of the things that I need to do, though, if you've worked with Google before, you know you can't insert a PDF into most Google Slides, and so we need to convert that to an image. An easy way to do that is through I Love PDF. It's a great tool for those of us who have lots of PDFs or documents we want to convert to PDF. And you can take some time to play around with this website and use some of the other tools, but we're going to convert the PDF to JPG image today. I'm going to select my PDF file. I have it handy. It's a main idea document chart that I want my students to use. And so here behind the picture is a red button that says convert. And so we're going to go ahead and convert that, and it's going to automatically download as we click this right here into the screen. So now I'm going to go to my untitled Google Slide presentation. One of the first things that you want to make sure that you do is you clear the layout. So I'm going to make sure that I have selected a blank layout. And then Google Slides doesn't normally look like this. It normally looks like a PowerPoint slide or a slide. So the way that I changed it to copy paper size is by going to File, Page Setup, and I set it custom. Normally it goes to standard, and I have to set it custom and set those parameters. We all know this by heart. 8.5 by 11 is copy paper size, and I click Apply. And then all I have to do is take my PDF from down here in the screen and drag it up. If you don't have that option, you can just click Insert Image, and your downloads will come from the Upload from your computer icon. So once I set this here, all I have to do is go to that T with the box or the frame around it and start adding text boxes to where I want my students to fill in information. Then once I've added all the text boxes to where I want them to fill in or respond to me, I need to go back and title this RI 3.2 Practice. And then I have a document that all of my students can use, and I can upload it into most learning management systems. Bailey Education Group is really excited about the work you're doing in our schools and for our children, and we are here to help you. So if there's anything we can do to help you to navigate this new normal, we're here. Thank you for joining us for Tech Tip Tuesday. Have a great week, everyone.